Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for a bat. First, remember to never touch a bat with your bare hands, as they can carry diseases. If you find a bat that appears injured or sick, your immediate action should be to contact a local wildlife rehabilitator. They are equipped to handle these delicate creatures safely and effectively, ensuring both the bat's well-being and your safety. If you discover a bat, first assess if it's truly in trouble or just resting. If it's grounded and seems vulnerable, approach with caution. Use thick leather gloves or a towel to gently scoop the bat into a small container, like a shoebox. Make sure the box has small air holes and a soft cloth inside for comfort. This provides a secure, temporary environment. For temporary housing, place a very shallow dish of water in the container, but never try to force the bat to drink. It's crucial not to attempt feeding the bat yourself, as they have very specific dietary needs that only professionals can meet. Maintain a stable, moderate temperature for its environment, avoiding extreme heat or cold until a rehabilitator can take over. The most important step is always to contact a licensed wildlife rehabilitator. They possess the expertise and resources to properly care for bats and ensure their safe return to the wild if possible. If a bat is healthy and simply flew indoors, gently guide it outside. And remember, if there's any direct contact with a bat for yourself or a pet, seek medical advice promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.